First, you can use regular wood glue to join the pieces together. Try to use the same type of wood. It just gives a cleaner and more consistent look in the final result. Start by cutting your pieces at a 45-degree angle. You could see first video. How I cut the pieces is what creates that nice pattern when everything comes together. Now when you're gluing the pieces, you'll need clamps to hold them in place. But be careful here, these are small pieces. So if you clamp too hard, they can actually get damaged. Go for medium pressure, not too loose, not too tight. Once everything is clamped, let the glue dry. You don't always need a full day, but I usually leave it for around 24 hours just to make sure everything is solid and strong. After that, glue the pieces together in pairs. Then arrange them so the pattern forms that arrow design. Take your time here. Getting everything straight makes a big difference in the final look. When the center panel is done, it's time to build the frame. You'll see the final result. Next step, glue all the sections together again. I used 2 smaller Valnot wood strips and 2 larger oak wood pieces for the sides to complete the tray and in the next step. Now I start by placing 2 small walnut pieces on each side of the center panel. After that, I add the larger oak pieces on the outer edges. When everything is in place, all the wood pieces sit really stable and look clean and well aligned. Same thing here, use clamps and keep the pressure balanced. This tray is made with a thickness of 20 millimeters. And I'll finish it with some nice black handles for a clean final look.